Hi and hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and I'm working at Ericsson Nissan. Today, as I promised, I will show you the review about the Nissan Pathfinder SL 2024 in a new color what we just got in stock. So this is a deep ocean blue pearl tricoat. I think it's the most beautiful exterior color the Nissan could create in my favorite vehicle, the Nissan Pathfinder. So don't forget to follow my channel and don't forget to like the video later or right now. And let's go and see this. So welcome to our Alberta's beautiful stormy weather. And this is 3.5 liter engine, V6, 6 cylinders, 284 horsepower, and look at this beautiful color. What you can mention here, it's more sparkling and better on a sunny weather, but still it's just like a chameleon. SL don't have the towing capacity 6,000 pounds, but it has 3,500 pounds. Has all the sides camera, 360 camera all around, the front camera just here. You have also the lane keep assist camera just in front in the triangle. 18 inches alloy wheels, silver, beautiful. Let's get and see the trunk. This is 8 seaters. I'm sorry, it's frozen. So this is 8-seater vehicle. You have 3 rows. Definitely need to put row down to see how big space is inside. Sunroof winter mats. You have extra space for the storage in the trunk. The tire is under the vehicle. Of course, the hitch is already installed. And let's go and see the second row. Now it works. So, wireless key entry on all of the handles. So, to get inside the second row, you have pretty lot room and storage for the bottles, for the drinks. You actually get in the curtain here on the window, and a lot of space, I would say, for the room rack and anything inside. Of course, the heated seats on the back. Also, the third zone of the climate control. You have extra charging places for the phone with the USB. The seats are going further, and also you can make more room there. And let's use this secret and nice button, put it up to get inside, because with my height, like 6 feet almost, the room for the legs on the third row is not impressive. I would say that you need to move the second row a little bit further, but still you have extra button to put the seats up to get out. And I'll show you the way how the seats on the second row are moved. So with the 6 feet, you still have some room for the legs. You can put the seats a little bit further. So now I feel myself luxury here, and it's comfortable. So let's jump in to the driver place to show you more features about the Pathfinder SL. Of course, start button. Nissan welcoming us with the nice design of the screen. We are the guests right now, so 8 inches screen with the navigation installed in. So let's back up to the menu. You can connect your phone and you don't need the cable to use your devices with the vehicles and Android and Apple CarPlay Auto. So this is really handled and comfortable and nice. As most of the Nissan, you can adjust the screen to the brightness you'll need. You also has the audio system. And the audio system is really good in this vehicle. With the AM, FM, Sirius, XM and Bluetooth option in it. For the first 3 years, I think, the Sirius XM is free. The map design based on the Google Maps in the new vehicle, as I know, in the new models, all the system will be based on the Google, but right now we have it like that. And the cameras, so 360 camera around the vehicle with all the sensors. Right now we see the front camera. As soon as we will reverse, we will see the backup camera. As the design of this vehicle, it's nice, simple, cool and stylish. Definitely is. And what I like, it's how fast the seats in Nissans are warming up. Definitely this is the feature. Let's also warm up the steering wheel and turn on the heat. It's a little bit cold outside. Here is the wireless phone charger. Nice and built in. You have extra USB on the front. Stylish and cool in here. I like the way how they did it, and it's really simple to use. So you are clicking the button on the left and holding it to reverse for the safety option, and right now the backup camera is showing up. And to go to the drive mode, you just moving the shifter down and it's already in a drive mode. So let's park, not to go anywhere. You have a nice place for the phone, so you don't need any phone holder actually. You have a lot of place for the drinks. You have the electronic emergency braking and auto hold and auto stop. It's all in the one button in a comfortable place. 7 modes for driving modes in the Pathfinder. You have a snow mode, the sand mode, the mud mode, the standard one, the eco, sport, and also the towing option with the hill start assist, hill hold control and hill descent control, of course. And the storage in the Pathfinder, the place is big. You will have pretty enough space to keep everything here. This is nice zone for the passengers, so passenger can keep his phone here or her. You have pretty a lot of room and space in the glove box, and also the place for the bottle on the right side. 10 ways of the passenger seat to move, what is really cool. And of course the place for the glasses. You can also open and close the curtain and the sunroof from these bottoms. Let's see how it looks on the back. Pretty enough room for the hat for the tall driver. And as I mentioned before in my previous videos, this is the best family vehicle Nissan has. This is actually true. I confirm it every day with my customers. The steering wheel is warm already. So steering wheel has a button for the volume control. You can play with the settings and adjust your vehicle to the way how do you like to have it. Of course, tire pressure Nissan option is really nice and comfortable, so the vehicle will beep when the tire will have the exact pressure what you will need in case you will lose some before. And menu and audio source you can also adjust here from this bottom to change the music. The horn works perfectly and it's pretty aggressive. So safe. Intelligent Pro Pilot, so Definitely what is comfortable and nice to use in a city or outside. And the cruise control just here. Of course we cannot put the cruise control while we are not driving. You can speak to the vehicle. It will have to be set up with your phone because otherwise it's not working. And you can call, of course. So to go on the left side, you can open also the trunk from this place. You can work with the brightness here on the main screen, and there are two setups for the driving seats. So of course it will read and it will memorize the setup for the mirrors, for the steering, no, not in this case for the steering wheel, but in the Platinum only, and definitely for the seats, so the position for the seats. One opening click for the window. In all of the windows, nice design, style, and that's why people like, I think, Pathfinder, because it's nice looking vehicle. Definitely is. So let's go and drive around for a while so we can see how it looks like. So the way how the Nissan handles on the vehicle on the road, I think it's great. The vehicle turns really simple and easy. With this size, this is comfortable and nice, and I love driving experience with Nissan Pathfinder. 3.5 liter engine with this size works really well. The transmission drives and handle this size really smooth, and I definitely like how it's quiet. Yeah, so let's see that. I need to come back right now, but I love the way how it drives. So if you like this review and you like this Nissan and you are somewhere in Alberta or Edmonton, welcome to my dealership for a test drive and to get the prices and the quotes for the vehicle. And if you have any question, please write in the comments and text. Follow my channel. If you like the way what I'm doing and how I'm doing, I would really appreciate that, and you will help me to grow and to make better and more reviews about the vehicles. So welcome back.